Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Nagai Botanical Garden. Nagai Botanical Garden is a well-known nature spot in Osaka that has become popular again in recent years. It is in Nagai Park in Higashisumiyoshi Ward, and it's a place where visitors can relax and enjoy a slow and peaceful time. For foreign visitors, it's a good place to see a Japanese season and plant culture in an early way, in an easy way. The garden grows more than 1,200 kinds of plants. In spring, visitors can enjoy cherry blossoms and tulips. In summer, they can see lotus flowers and sunflowers. In autumn, colorful leaves appear, and in winter, a garden house shows tropical plants that stay green all year. The rose garden is very popular and many people visit it to take photos when the flowers and in bloom. One recent topic is a night event that lights up the garden. This event lets visitors enjoy plants in a magical way, which is shared often on social media. The combination of light and plant shows a gentle beauty that is typical of Japan, and it's liked by many foreign tourists. Next to the garden is Osaka Museum of Natural History, which is a place that visitors can visit to learn more about nature. The paths in the garden are wide and easy to walk on, and there are many benches to sit and rest. Nagai Botanical Garden is a place where people can calm their minds and enjoy nature during a busy stay in Osaka. It's a spot that are strongly recommended to visitors who want to feel the balance between the city and nature. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.